Good evening, everybody. CryptoStrang here. This evening we'll talk about OKX. Just recently joined this exchange, and as I go through the exchange and everything they offer within their ecosystem, as well as their tokens and their plans long term, you can see why I've joined this exchange, why it's got so much potential long term. I think that what they're planning, it's been around over 5 years now. Okay, it used to be called OKX, it's now called OKX, and I think it's going to be wonderful long term. Okay, now, states there, download OKX app to claim mystery box up to $2,000. So if you haven't joined OKX, I strongly recommend you do, especially at the moment we're in a bear market, aren't we? A lot of negativity around the world about everything, not just crypto, but commodities, stocks and shares. However, contrary to what the press say, a crypto crash, it's not, is it? We're still basically around $1 trillion market cap. And we all know crypto's long term. It's only a matter of time till the markets pick up. Now, getting on high quality exchanges like OKX is fantastic as you plan for the future. As well as you get your traditional cryptos everyone's heard about, your blue chip, smart contract platforms, the up and coming ones. You can get the real high quality, low cap altcoin gems, which I was going to talk about on this channel. Okay, so if you haven't joined OKX, there's a referral link below. It's entirely up to you if you use my link. I do appreciate it. It does support the channel. If you don't want to use my referral link, entirely up to you. However, please make sure you sign up to OKX.com and not a phishing site. Very important. So if you're just getting started with crypto, follow the link, sign up. Very strong password. Me personally, I use a separate email for my crypto. It makes it easier to track and just keep an eye on it, basically. But obviously, keep that very strong password. And also, you Google 2FA. What I like about OKX, we'll talk about the security features as well later, but they have so many security levels. Your crypto is very secure on it. And again, it's never financial advice. You must do your own research. However, this is a very high quality exchange whose security is at the forefront of what they talk about, and they really do secure the assets. So I think it's wonderful. We'll go through it. Now you can see on the dashboard all the different bit. Buy crypto, very important, obviously. Direct on exchange, you can actually buy crypto with fiat, with Visa, MasterCard. We'll show that in a minute. But also, you talk about discover. You've got the markets, the opportunities, the leaderboard. Now trade, a lot. You've got your convert, quick conversion, no fees, no spreads. Basic trading, spot and simple options, margin trading, trading bot. Multiple strategies help you trade with ease regardless of bull or bear markets. Now, again, if you've not done trading before, this teaches you how to do it. Okay, now you've also got block trading, which is great to see, many different areas. Now, grow, the section on the top, earn. You've got your savings, your staking, your fixed income. Now, we'll go through it in a minute, but in a bear market, there's no point. Your crypto's just sat on exchange doing nothing. Okay, let's be honest, let's make them work for yourself. Let's do the staking, let's do the lending, the borrowing, etc. Okay, now build the learn, got learn section. And also got there, talk about more about your rewards, talk about referral, refer your friends, let's get on OKX. Also the security of funds, and talk about the token. That's really important. That's really fascinating me because I said, only reason join this exchange, reached out, I've seen excellent reports, strong surveys on there. Everyone's saying there's no complaints about OKX, which is great to see. Independent review sites, it's great to see that OKX have such a strong customer support. People don't complain. It's great to see. It gives you a lot of reassurance as well. But going back to the exchange, now the fact you can buy with fiat on exchange obviously speaks volumes for the project, but this I found absolutely fascinating even more so. Buy Bitcoin and 91 plus cryptocurrency within 92 fiat currencies. I don't think I've ever seen an exchange where you have so many fiat crypto pairs. And also you tend to buy, when you buy the crypto, they allow you to buy with Bitcoin and XRP, Ethereum, etc., and a few others. This one allows you 91 plus. However, what I do is always buy Tether. Okay. If you're not involved with crypto before you're just getting started, please don't hesitate to reach out. I've helped so many people over time. Email me, info@cryptostrang.com, or my social media links below. The best one is probably Instagram. Do FaceTime on there. You show me a screen. We talk about easy way of doing things. I don't mind spending time. I appreciate the frustration for some people just getting started with crypto. It may seem easy to us people who've been in crypto years. However, I remember when I joined my first exchange in 2016, how frustrating it was. I couldn't get it, and that was Bittrex. Now, I'm going to be completely honest, Bittrex has not moved with the times, in my opinion. OKX is a high quality exchange, and this is the future. Exchanges like this, where they offer so much other than just literally buying crypto and doing the trade, which all exchanges do. They're offering so many parts of their ecosystem and beyond. And also, to buy the crypto with fiat, they accept Apple Pay as well. They've got so many options, obviously Visa, MasterCard, etc. So many ways to buy crypto with your fiat. Now, also, if you already got Tether elsewhere and you want to send it to OKX, as I've always stated, if you're using Tether, make sure you use the TRC20 Tron network. Please don't use the ERC20 Ethereum network. As we said, if you send, like, for example, $80, using the Tron network, it's $1 fee. Using the horrendous Ethereum and its gas fees, you're looking at $20 of fees. Okay, again, if you ever want to help moving crypto between exchanges, again, let me know. It's easy once you've done it a few times, isn't it? But again, first time it can be quite nerve-wracking in case you do it wrong and they get lost. Okay, there's many different reasons. So, but OKX, the way they've laid it out, and they've made it very user-friendly. And I think for someone just get involved with crypto would actually find OKX very easy. However, as I say, don't hesitate to reach out with questions. So once you've bought your crypto using your fiat or you send elsewhere, now the exchange is laid out very easy. The trading, you can see there all the different pairs here, but it's easy to just go straight to the search and put in, for example, my favourite blue chip coin, ADA. You can see there how much has been traded, and you simply just put down here what you want to buy. You've got your USDT on there, and it's very easy, and I've showed this many times before. It's very simple. They make it so straightforward. Set how much you want to spend of your Tether, for example, and you get your ADA, then it's in your account. Okay, I know I've showed that many times before. It's very straightforward. Okay, however, people want me to do a dedicated video, literally from buying the crypto with the fiat to actually buying that altcoin, which you can't buy direct, then I'm happy to do that. Please comment below and I'll do that without problem. Now, again, we go back to the dashboard DYOR, and this is, again, in a bear market, we don't know about time for another bull market. And as I said, we're approaching this trillion market cap. Talk about a bear market. It's not a savage market like 2018. Obviously, the whole world's quite, as I say, quite stagnant at the moment, isn't it? But again, long-term crypto is absolutely fantastic. It's a great opportunity now to get on the exchanges, get familiar with it, and hold those gems long-term, which we talk about a lot. Okay, we talk about a lot of low-cap gems, as well as the main ones, the low, the high quality smart contract platform. So you've got on here the earn. Now, stated on top, dual investment, flexible redemption, and transparency. You've got your fixed income with stable earnings, the DeFi, earn DeFi rewards with 0% fees, stake for stable returns. Also got your stable coins, ball or bear, always earn. So as I say, what's the point of holding an exchange if you're not going to make it work? Now, when it comes to staking it, you can see here. Now, they start with a project with the highest APY. You scroll down, there's some high quality projects with massive returns. I've spoken about many of these projects over time. Scrolling through, look, Tether, for example, 36.5%. How many times I spoke about Tether? Look at Elrond, the same, 36.5%. The Graph, GRT, Kusama, flexible and fixed at 36%. UMA, that's got a fantastic future. Glimmer, Metis, okay, this goes on and on. So they've got some really high quality on here with excellent returns. So again, make it work for you. Use the staking, okay? Now, scrolling through also. Now, what I like about this, not many exchanges do this. I don't think I've actually come across this where they give you so much detail for someone, beginner's tutorial. Again, new people getting started. Okay, now they give you so many options how to get a beginner's tutorial, how to create and manage your OKX wallet, start trading, OKX earn. So they're giving people all the tools they need to get started with OKX, which is a great idea. Now, trading ideas, again, helping people with that industry analysis. Okay, they're helping everyone. That's what I like about OKX. It's also got the leading mining pool with top assets and daily revenue. You can join a pool there, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Gold. Okay, so you can join some mining pools. You want to do it that side. Now, this is the bit where I say you get a lot of people worried about is security. Is my crypto safe on the exchange? Now, they give all what they do here. Now, as you scroll through, you realise how they take this so seriously. Secure offline storage as well as the online. So they've got online, offline storage. Obviously, it states there, the offline asset storage, the cold wallets are the safest vaults of cryptocurrency, obviously, because no one can get anywhere near, obviously. But crypto exchange require ready access to some funds, obviously, to deposit and withdraw funds for users. People want to get their funds moving quick. They're not going to wait for OKX to move from offline storage to online storage. So obviously, they have to keep some online, okay? Since hot wallet systems are connected to the internet, operating them safely is a bigger challenge. We created our own semi-offline multi-signature mechanism. It supports quick, secure, and convenient deposit and withdrawals. And as you go through, I'll put the link below, as you can see. Again, this I think reassures people a lot, because this is probably the question I get the most. How secure is this exchange? How good is it? Well, just look at their security protocols and their procedures set up in place. I don't think you could actually get more secure if you tried. Our security design philosophy, secure private key storage, semi-offline signatures, distributed authorization. They take security so seriously. Specifics of our security protocol generation of private key and backups, hot wallet deposit, they talk about that. But the fact they've got the private key backup, the generation, but this is the bit I thought was absolutely wonderful. Conditions for activating the private keys. 2 to 3, multi-signature technology adopted. 2 of the 3 key owners are required to authorise the activation of their semi-offline signature. So it's multiple people have to initiate and get the offline storage moving, the funds in there, okay? Core features of our security protocol. Our private key management system integrates decentralized storage. Each private key has a backup, as I say. Benefits of our security protocol. They've got everything listed. If this doesn't reassure you, to be honest, nothing will, because they're taking security to the highest level, okay? Now, as I said earlier, if you've got your strong passwords, you Google 2FA, you've got all this on here as well, it's very, very secure. Now, again, when you go back to OKX, so it smashed through the top 20 on coin market cap. Long term, I think it's going to rise up well above the others because what they've got planned, how they're developing. Volume in the last 24 hours, over $1 billion, equivalent to 54,645 Bitcoin. Okay, that's absolutely, again, it's wonders for the project. So it's been around just over 5 years now. So long term, this project is absolutely incredible with what they've got planned. There's a lot of competition out there, but they're expanding their ecosystem so much. It's massive. Now, the token, again, I was amazed how high it was in the charts. It's ranked 56, okay? Volume in the last 24 hours is over 9 million, $13.19. The supply, 60 million out of 300 million total supply. That's not a lot, obviously, in crypto speak, okay? Now, ranked 56, absolutely fantastic. But this is the bit I find really fascinating when they talk about the actual... Now, we want to see a token there of its general usage, and it talks about it here. Trading fee discounts by using OKB, get passive income with OKX Earn, participate in jumpstart token sales of high quality crypto projects. Again, up and coming high quality projects. Now, here's how you can spend your OKB. Now, they've got some different sections here: security services, financial services, utility services. You can see here, OKB is used so many. Look at the different pages they've got. For instance, Aeron, buy aviation service and solutions with OKB. So it's just general usage for everyday mainstream adoption. So OKB is used massively. Okay, it's also on, which you don't often see. OKB is not just on the OKX exchange, it's on many other exchanges. Not often you see that other exchanges will list another exchange token. Okay, that really is quite bizarre when you think about it. But again, it shows that the other exchanges believe in what OKB is, and obviously it's got a huge future. So I like the fact that you talk about financial services, again, it's just used. It's got so much general usage, the OKB token. Again, it's absolutely fantastic. Now this, again, how we keep the OKB value high. Now, obviously, we're in a bear market, as I say, but the fact is up 5% in the last 24 hours. We burn OKB tokens regularly to reduce supply. This boosts the value, encourages you to hold tokens. We use 30% of the income from OKX spot trading fees to buy back OKB from the 300 million in circulating supply. Every 3 months, we burn tokens by sending them to a burning address that nobody can access. Now, total supply is only 300 million, and they're doing these regular burns. Fantastic exchange, and OKB will sooner or later be in the top 50. You can see, if you look at the OKB token as just an investment, how valuable this could be. It's not financial advice, obviously, but just think long term, with such a low supply, the general usage everywhere for the OKB token, again, it speaks volumes. Now, as I've delved more into OKX, I come across their other token, which I'm going to be completely honest and transparent, I didn't know about until this week. The OKC token, OKT. Currently, the market cap is just over 317 million. Okay, volume in the last 24 hours, nearly a million. Now, the max supply is just basically under 42 million, which crypto speak is not a lot. Still only $19.40, but again, may seem a lot, approaching $20 per token, but when the max supply is only just under 42 million, that is not a lot. So again, this is fascinating. Now, I've read up a lot on this token. Now, it states here, reborn for metaverse. OKC is a secure and programmable smart contracts platform for the next gen Web3 applications. Okay, now this is incredible. 140 million transactions, 2.31 million addresses. But the market cap, I say, to me, is very low for what they're actually planning here. It takes their performance unleashed, talk about transactions per second, compatibility doubled, 100% EVM compatible, GameFi ready, zero gas-free protocol, IDO launchpad, GameFi accelerator grant. Talk about the ecosystem. Now this, again, we look at the ecosystem, talk about DeFi, talk about NFTs as well, which is great to see, GameFi, Web3. So this token and their plans for the smart contract is absolutely fantastic. Now, when they scroll down to the bottom, talk about the partners, The list is endless, okay? Many, you basically hover over and you can see all the big companies that the partners are involved with this. So both tokens to me, obviously OKB is purely for the exchange, but it's got its general utility and general usage around the world. You can use it anywhere, basically, long term. I think it's actually wonderful. But this token, with its smart contract platform, again, is absolutely fantastic. So think of both the tokens and then think about the exchange as well, what OKX are doing here. Should have covered this before, to be completely honest. This exchange kind of slipped by the wayside and I should have got into this a long time ago. And I wish I'd got the OKB token a long time ago, okay? So when you scroll back here, exchange is so easy laid out for everyone to use. Just think about the token as well and what they're developing. It's a really huge team. And also, quite refreshing also, OKX are recruiting people now in a bear market. You hear about CoinbaseCrypto.com laying off people. OKX are actually taking people on, which again speaks volumes for the project long term and their development. They've got the funds, they believe in long term. They're not just thinking, oh my God, we're in a bear market, what we're going to do. So again, that speaks volumes for anyone when you think about their team, massive team. I read up about 1,000 people already employed by OKX. So that's why the customer support is so good. So again, follow link below. If you want to join OKX, please use my link. I say I do appreciate it, but you don't have to, obviously. But I say it's wonderful when you do. So thanks very much. Have a wonderful weekend. As I say, sign up. Any issues, don't hesitate to contact me. Honestly, help any way I can. So thanks very much. We'll chat again soon. I'll do some more detailed videos about OKX long term. Just want to do an overview about their ecosystem, about the exchange, about everything you can do on the exchange, especially, utilise what's happening in the bear market and to use that, but also about their tokens, which again are absolutely wonderful. So cheers now. We'll chat again soon. Take care. Bye now.